everybody. We are so excited to have you all in Bay Area. Welcome to Bay Area. Do you want to start off by introducing yourselves?
Namaste, my name is Bhairavi Venkatesan and
Hi, I'm Mridula Shivakumar.
Namaste, I'm Sanjana Ramesh.
Okay, a few questions to ask you. So I'm going to start by asking a question and then you can pick whoever wants to answer can just jump in, okay? What is the most unusual place that you have ever practiced dancing in?
This is for a video that hasn't come out yet but it will be out soon. We shot in different locations for different stanzas of the song, and for one stanza we shot it on a wooden hanging bridge between a stream. So it was very funny to dance on it because it was shaking and then the cameraman was also bouncing along with me, and it was the stream is running beneath me at full force, so it was a very interesting place to dance in.
If you had a different career that you could switch for a day, what would it be?
Okay, I would prefer being an architect or an interior designer, something creative, but at the same time working at our own pace.
Wonderful. What is your favorite place to practice outside of your studio?
Probably home. Houses are the best places to practice.
So Sheila ma'am is an inspiration to many. What does she reflect for all of you? Can you talk a little bit about Sheila ma'am, what she means to each of you and how you relate to her now, like with your journey of dance in so many years? How do you see her now when you are all like, you know, a little bit more older than what you were when you were younger?
She has that ability to transition from age group. So if we look at ourselves itself, when we were younger, we've been learning since we were kids. The way she handled us when we were at a certain age group and the transition to how she handles us now was so smooth, and she knows how to do that perfectly. She knows how to communicate with students from the age group that they are, like the youngest ones to the older ones appropriately, and that switch up is not at all obvious and so gradual that you just feel very comfortable as you stay in the class and you learn.
And since we've traveled with her for a long time, she's like our second mother, so we can we can just share anything personal, whatever it is. After informing our parents, we'll come back here and tell her whatever is happening in our lives as well.
So dance class is like our second home. So whatever things we want to share, everything we can share it with Sheila ma'am with ease and with absolute comfort.
Is there a nickname that you all have for Sheila ma'am?
For everybody, it's Sheila ma'am. Me, I call her Sheila very much.
Wonderful. Can you talk a little bit about your performance that we're all going to witness on August 17th in the Bay Area at Chabot College? Can you tell us a little bit on what you're going to be performing?
We are very excited to be performing here. So this is our first time touring in the US and this will be our first show. And we are performing brand new items which are specially choreographed for this program. And we are also doing a Chitra Natyam on Jayadeva's Ashtapati, and we are very excited.
We also learned a new piece, Taye Yashoda, for this performance, and the learning process of that has been equal parts entertaining, exciting and also frustrating because it's an Abhinaya piece, and the three of us have worked quite a bit on it and we're excited to show you that piece as well.
All the pieces which are already out there are mostly duet pieces or in a group of 5 or 7. This is the first time we're trying to do it as a trio. So few pieces were quite challenging to work on the 3 number.
One quick question. Who is the most talkative in this trio? What is the most funnest moment that you have had so far in your Bay Area, in your US experience?
It's got to be the Yosemite trip. It was exhausting and fun and thrilling. We got to watch amazing views and the waterfalls. Everything was really nice.
Wonderful. Thank you guys so much. We are looking forward to seeing your performance on August 17th. Good luck and best of luck for the rest of the shows all across US.
Thank you.